Imagine transforming your cluttered, stressful life into a serene, joyful existence. Meet Emily, who did just that. A year ago, her life was a mess, filled with unnecessary things and commitments. Today, she lives happily with less than a third of her previous belongings, finding peace and fulfillment. Minimalism isn't about owning nothing. It's about valuing everything you have. It's a philosophy that encourages you to prioritize what truly matters, removing the excess that doesn't add value to your life. It's not deprivation. It's about finding abundance in less. Benefits of adopting minimalism. Adopting minimalism brings manifold benefits, significantly enhancing the quality of life. Firstly, it reduces stress by clearing physical and mental clutter, allowing for a clearer focus and increased productivity. Financially, minimalism encourages smarter spending and saving, as it shifts priorities from accumulating goods to experiencing life. Environmentally, it promotes sustainability by reducing waste and consumption. On a personal level, minimalism fosters deeper relationships and self-discovery, as you spend less time managing possessions and more on activities that nurture the soul. Overall, embracing minimalism can lead to a richer, more meaningful existence, marked by an appreciation for simplicity and a focus on what's truly important. Understanding minimalism. Rule 1. Define what is essential. Understanding minimalism begins with defining what is essential in your life. This process requires deep self-reflection to distinguish between what you need and what you want. Essentials are items and activities that significantly contribute to your well-being and help you lead the life you aspire to. These are not just material goods, but also relationships and commitments that are truly meaningful. For instance, consider the story of Mark, a graphic designer who realized his passion was drowning under unnecessary gadgets and social commitments. He decided to focus strictly on essential tools that enhanced his productivity and creativity. By identifying these essentials, Mark not only streamlined his work environment but also rediscovered his joy in design. This shift allowed him to spend more quality time with family and engage in hobbies that refreshed his spirit, showing that understanding and choosing essentials can profoundly reshape our lives. Rule 2. Declutter relentlessly. Decluttering is a crucial step in adopting minimalism. Start by selecting one area at a time, whether it's a drawer, a closet, or a room. Begin with removing obvious trash. Then move to items you haven't used in over a year. Question each item's utility and joy it brings. If it serves neither, consider letting it go. Organize what remains in a way that each item is easily accessible and visually pleasing. This methodical approach not only cleans your space but also your mind, reducing anxiety and boosting focus. As clutter decreases, the clarity of what is truly valuable increases, enhancing decision-making and daily satisfaction. Rule 3. Quality over quantity. Embracing minimalism means choosing quality over quantity. Investing in high-quality items, though initially more expensive, proves economically beneficial in the long run. High-quality goods often have longer lifespans, reducing the frequency and cost of replacements. For example, a well-made pair of shoes might cost more upfront but will outlast several cheaper pairs, ultimately saving money and reducing waste. This principle extends beyond possessions to time and relationships. Spending time on fewer but more meaningful activities and fostering deeper connections with fewer people leads to greater life satisfaction. By focusing on quality in all aspects of life, you not only enhance your current living standards but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle, aligning actions with values and fostering a deeper sense of fulfillment. Applying minimalism in everyday life. Rule 4. Digital minimalism. Digital minimalism focuses on reducing digital noise to enhance concentration and mental peace. Begin by unsubscribing from unnecessary emails, limiting app notifications, and decluttering your digital files regularly. Prioritize essential apps and tools that genuinely improve productivity and well-being. Benefits of reducing screen time include increased focus, less eye strain, better sleep patterns, and more time for in-person interactions. This intentional approach to digital consumption can significantly improve your quality of life by creating more space for meaningful activities and interactions. Rule 5. 1 in, 1 out. The one-in, one-out rule is a practical method to maintain minimalism in everyday items like clothing and technology. Whenever a new item is purchased, an old one is discarded or donated. This policy not only keeps your possessions to a manageable amount, but also ensures you only add items that are truly needed or loved. Applying this rule helps avoid clutter accumulation and promotes thoughtful purchasing, leading to a more organized and less stressful living environment. Rule 6. Minimalist finances. Adopting minimalist principles in financial management involves simplifying and automating your economic life. Consolidate bank accounts and automate payments for recurring expenses to reduce paperwork and manage finances efficiently. Create a budget focused on essential expenditures and savings goals, which helps in avoiding unnecessary spending. Emphasizing savings and investments over consumption can lead to substantial financial growth and security. Minimalist finances mean prioritizing spending on experiences and needs over material goods, which not only reduces financial stress but also enhances life satisfaction by aligning your spending with your values. Rule 7. Minimize your commitments. Minimizing commitments involves prioritizing activities that align with your personal and professional goals while saying no to less important tasks. Start by assessing all current commitments, determining which ones are truly beneficial. Utilize planning tools like calendars and to-do lists to manage time effectively. Techniques such as time blocking can help dedicate specific hours to focused work, avoiding the pitfall of overcommitment. This approach allows for a more productive schedule, ensuring ample time for rest and leisure, which improves overall well-being and efficiency. Rule 8. Embrace empty space. Embracing empty space in both your physical and mental environments can lead to significant psychological benefits. Physically, less crowded spaces are easier to clean and maintain, creating a calming atmosphere. Mentally, empty spaces allow for creativity and reflection, reducing cognitive overload and boosting mental health. This minimalist approach promotes a peaceful living and working environment, encouraging mindfulness and presence. The aesthetic simplicity of less cluttered spaces can also be inherently pleasing, offering a visual rest that many find soothing and rejuvenating. Deepening your minimalist practice. Rule 9. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a natural extension of minimalism, emphasizing awareness and presence in the moment. By practicing mindfulness, minimalists enhance their understanding of what brings joy and value to their lives. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindful walking can help integrate mindfulness into daily routines. These practices allow for a greater appreciation of the present, reducing the desire for excessive consumption and helping to maintain a minimalist lifestyle. Regular mindfulness practice helps in recognizing and cherishing the simplicity and richness of life, making it easier to resist the clutter of unnecessary possessions and activities. Rule 10. Continual reassessment. Minimalism is not a one-time purge but a continuous process of reassessment. As life changes, what you consider essential might evolve. Regularly evaluating your belongings, commitments, and habits ensures that your minimalist practices remain relevant and beneficial. This could mean revisiting your possessions each season, reassessing your goals yearly, or refining your routines as your personal and professional life evolves. Such continual reassessment helps maintain a minimalist lifestyle that truly reflects your current values and needs, preventing drift back into clutter and complexity. Deepening your minimalist practice is about more than discarding excess. It's about cultivating a lifestyle that continually aligns with your core values. This journey requires persistence, mindfulness, and regular reassessment to adapt to life's inevitable changes. As you delve deeper into minimalism, you'll discover layers of psychological and emotional benefits, from increased clarity and focus to enhanced personal freedom. Remember, minimalism is not about having less for the sake of less. It's about making room for more of what truly matters. By committing to this philosophy, you pave the way for a fuller, more meaningful existence. Embrace minimalism as a path to personal growth and sustained happiness, continually refining and enjoying the process as part of your life's evolution. Start your minimalist journey today by implementing just one of these rules. Discover the profound impact minimalism can have on your life and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and hit the like button If you're ready to transform your life with minimalism,